Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to post photos on OnlyFans. So I logged into my account of OnlyFans page. So how to post a photos. So here you will see the bottom center is the plus icon. So you may tab on it. So after this, the first one of clear this previous drafts, and here you will write some quote on your pic, and you will see there is the album icon which is available after subscription. So right now I don't buy any subscription, but after subscription this icon is available, so you can just select the image and post it. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.